It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in hot pepper red. This is the first time we've seen this color in an F-150, and it has the black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. You also have the trailer tow package, which includes an integrated trailer brake controller. You've got a nice line box, and you also have a tailgate step and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar. You've got these nice all-weather mats with the F-150 badging on them, and electronic parking brake, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, power tailgate release, double click that, and you've got a grab handle as well as running boards to make it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. Any important messages, your odometer reading, and your menu will come up. So we're going to go through that. So my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center there's a little cubby there, and here you've got your camera view. And so that's right off the back there, and you're seeing there's just a protective cover here. That's that red line that's across. Green, yellow, red is just telling you how close you are to other objects or vehicles when going in reverse. And there's the center line there, and that's right off the bumper. And then we have as well our hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. Now we've got the screen here we can touch on, so sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We also have the navigation, so the map will come up for us and we can set our destination. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see that camera view again. So it's just showing you can press on the camera if you just want to take a look behind. Maybe you're taking off, you're not actually backing up, but you want to see what's behind you. Now if you're actually backing up and you're in reverse, which we are now, you're going to see the same view. We're going to put us back into park for safety. And we've got our features that we can go into, and our owner's manual's in there. We can go into our settings again. We can slide through. There's your navigation, connectivity, your software updates, and these all have submenus you can go into and play with. You can go into your clock and even your display. You can change the look of the display. You can darken that if you like to. There's your volume and tuner, and then dual climate control and dual heated seats for driver and passenger, your AC and max AC, and you have your fan in the center there. You also have the front and rear defrost. Off to the side, Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 with locking differential. And when you push, it'll put it on. You see that on the dash right on the right hand side where the menu is. I'll push it again, it'll go off. And then the drive mode, as we dial through, we get the different options. So there's normal, tow haul, and you notice the icons change, eco, sport, and then let's go around the other way. And this is where we get into slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. So as the road conditions change, as the weather changes, or just your mood as you're heading out on your latest trip, you can adjust to that. And then we have our automatic select shifter, and if we wanted this to go down flat because we needed a flat surface, just press the button and it'll go down for you. Your armrest opens up, there's lots of room in there, there's a nice little bin, there's charging down below, and just put that there. Now we want to bring it up, just push the button. Got a couple of cup holders. In your cubby, you've got a USB, USB-C, and a place to put items. Off to the side here, we've got our 12 volt and 120, and we've got 2 glove compartments. The lower one's locking, you just press the button for that one. Grab handle in the body, and then you have an auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, and power sliding window in the rear. That's what that's for. Sunglass holder, and grab handle in the body, making your passenger easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road package badging, which gives you also skid plates. And in the rear, the body colored door handle. And just to the right is the LED light. Above the handle is where, I shouldn't say door handle, I should say tailgate latch. There is your backup camera, backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. What's really nice about this tailgate is on your fob, you can double click and it'll power it down. So that's the tailgate assist. It goes down easily. You hear it doesn't bang open. And then you also have a nice tailgate step, a line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. That little yellow handle that you're seeing to the left of the tailgate step pulls out and creates an arm for you, making it easier to get in and out. And also on the tailgate, you have the ability to put clamps. There's one on the left and one on the right. You also have 2 rulers, one metric and one imperial. So if you're doing some work on your truck, in your truck, you've got lots of room to do that. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaking of working in the tailgate here, you also have an outlet if you need to power something up. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Just simply lift the seat with one hand and it's in the upright position, and then pull the tab to bring it back down. Anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, a nice all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other for easy cleanup, and extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders. You've got your 12 volt in the center there and air vents, USB, USB-C, 120 volt. On the other side is a grab handle, hooks, and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper, which is part of the sport package, which also includes a center console. You have mud flaps, 5.5-foot box that's lined, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.